Is there a good way to surrender? Any tips? Yeah, you don't have to get what you want always. You can be okay with not knowing what's gonna happen. You can be okay with not leading but actually following. You can be okay with not being the loudest person, not talking all the time. You can be okay with somebody else steering the wheel while you just sit back. You can be okay with seek humility or humiliation will seek you. Yeah, humble yourself or nature will humble the fuck out of you. Yeah, yummy. Yeah. Yeah. With big power, with great power comes great responsibility, and we are the most conscious life form on the planet. And with that comes the greatest responsibility. Like, we can speak, we can know who we are, but then we're responsible for the trees, we're responsible for the animals, we're responsible for everything. So you're a human. We're human. We need to act great, but not in a way, oh my god, I'm human, I can do whatever the fuck I want. But in a sense, I'm human. It's such an honor to be a human. And let's give back. Let's be human. And yes. Either you humble yourself and sort of revel in nature's greatness. Either you're gonna bow down to nature, or one day it's gonna be like, okay, I should have bowed down sometime. I should have shut up more often. Like, I'm not some big judge or anything, but there's a bigger force than you. There's a huge force that is life that we need to honor. And you can feel it. You can feel it if it's time for you to speak or not. You can feel it if there's with time you feel it more and more. It's the Tao. It's the way. And yeah. Control is an illusion, yeah. You can only control your own inner state. There are things you can control, but most people focus on things they have no control over. Yes, you can control how you breathe. You can control where you go, what you eat, will you exercise or not. You can control how you speak to others, but that's mostly it. You have control over your life, and you have full control over your life. And authority and responsibility, but that's it. That's it. And that's very empowering, and that's also very liberating as well.